Hey everyone, welcome to Utopia Creating the Paradise. How are you all, guys? I hope you all are fine and safe at your place. My holy basil plant, that is Tulsi plant, is grown well, so decided to trim for its better growth, and it also protect from other, any infection or diseases catch to this plant. But how can I waste these holy basil? So decided to prepare some dish out of it. Today I am going to make pasta, especially for kids because exams over, so they are excited and relaxed also. So it is treat for kids. Pasta is cooked. Now I will remove it from the hot water and I will run cold water on it. I forgot to take that clip. Now here I have taken basil leaves, some coriander leaves, and I soaked two handful of cashews in hot water for about 15-20 minutes. Now I will grind everything, cashews, coriander and tulsi leaves in a mixie jar. So I prepared fine paste out of it. Now in a pan I have taken olive oil, adding that paste, tulsi, coriander and cashew paste in it. Mix it. As it should not stick to bottom, so I will add some water. I just thoroughly rinse that mixie jar and that water only I have added here. Also I am using the water in which I boiled pasta. Now I am adding crushed black pepper, salt, now need to cook this for about 5 to 7 minutes. Adding some more water as the consistency was thick. Let it cook for some time. In between I'm just checking because we have added cashew, so there are chances it will stick to the bottom. Now it started boiling. Now it's time to add pasta in it. This is very simple and easy recipe. I feel this pasta is little thick, so I will add some more water. And that's it. This recipe is so simple, easy, and it tastes amazing, guys. Just give it try. If you try this recipe, please send photo on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is on the screen. Cooking done, so waiting for kids. So there was a time for 15-20 minutes. So thought to do some crochet. Later, having lunch and spending time with kids, all of a sudden we decided to go out. And luckily, that day my husband also reached home early. So it was impromptu plan to go just for long drive or some beach. Yet we have not decided, but just got ready and we are going out now. Kids were so happy and excited because 2 weeks they were stuck because at home because of exam. So now we are just starting. I hope we should get to see sunset, but don't know. Let's see. Once we leave house, finally we decided to go to beach. But when we leave house, kids feel again hungry. I don't know what. Do you guys? You also have experience when they are at home, they don't demand much food, but once we go out, they feel always hungry. So decided to take some snacks. It was nearby, but it's not so good. But okay, that time the time was less, so some grab some snacks and we went to beach. So we are going to Dukhan beach. Here actually sunset looks good, but we were already late and we have to watch sunset from car only. And look at it is so beautiful and the journey was so good. It takes around 30-35 minutes to reach there. Because of weekday, no crowd at all. In fact, we were only there. It was very calm and peaceful. Sanitization and mask. It is now part of our life. And my younger son is getting irritated with flies. Kids were just waiting to eat some snacks and they were like, now okay fine, let's eat no something. So finally decided to eat. It is like just 10-15 minutes we reached here and we sat for eating. It's dark. I'm insisting to go back, but still kids wanted to stay here. Climate is really good now, so we can enjoy outside. It is really comfortable. Also, don't know, they were demanding to listen some music, so it was impromptu plan, so nothing was there. Still, we found these small speakers in the car, so just they are enjoying some music. It's time to go back to home. It's already late, and tomorrow again weekday. School is there, office is there. So yeah, this is how we enjoyed our impromptu plan. So please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Take care. Bye bye.